the Church of San Salvatore in Ognissanti, better known in Florence as the Church of the Ognissanti. Was originally constructed in the 13th century, but much of what you see today is the result of a 17th century Baroque overhaul. And the church is home to a pair of Renaissance masterpieces, the frescoes of St. Augustine and St. Jerome by Domenico Ghirlandaio and the great Amerigo Botticelli. You can also see a couple of celebrity tombs, like that of the great explorer Amerigo Vespucci and the tomb of the great painter Botticelli himself, as well as a beautiful 14th century crucifix that was painted by the great Giotto. So if you're in Florence, be sure to stop by the Church of the Ognissanti and to enjoy all of the artistic and historical treasures that it has to offer.